Hello, today we will guide you through how to calculate hours worked in Google Sheets. To begin, open the sample spreadsheet in Google Sheets. This is where you'll enter and display the result for the hours worked calculation. Once the sheet is open, take a moment to identify the cells that contain the start time and end time, since those will be used in the formula. Next, select the cell where you want the answer to appear. This is the cell that will display the total time worked. Choosing the correct result cell first helps keep your sheet organized and makes it easier to follow the calculation as you build it. After selecting the answer cell, move to the top menu and click Format. This step is important because time calculations in Google Sheets can sometimes display as a regular time value instead of a total duration. If the formatting is not set correctly, the result may not appear the way you expect. From the Format menu, choose Number, and then select Duration. Setting the cell to duration tells Google Sheets to treat the result as an amount of elapsed time rather than a clock time. This is especially useful when calculating work hours, because you usually want to see the total time between a start and end time clearly and accurately. Now you're ready to enter the formula. In the selected answer cell, type an equals sign, then enter the start time cell, a minus sign, and then the end time cell exactly as shown in your sheet. This creates the time difference formula using the referenced cells. Be sure to follow the same cell order demonstrated on screen so the result appears correctly in your spreadsheet. Once the formula is entered, Google Sheets will calculate the hours worked and display the result in the duration format you set earlier. If the result looks unusual, double-check that the answer cell is formatted as duration and confirm that the cell references in the formula match the intended start and end time cells. As a helpful tip, formatting the result cell before entering the formula often makes the outcome easier to read right away. It also reduces confusion if the sheet initially shows a time of day instead of a worked hours total. That's all it takes to calculate hours worked in Google Sheets. With the correct result cell selected, the proper duration format applied, and the time difference formula entered, you can quickly compute worked hours directly in your spreadsheet.